To get started, you want to be sure to use lukewarm water. Thoroughly wet your crown topper. Using a good sulfate and paraben-free compatible shampoo system, gently massage the topper hair with the shampoo, making sure not to rub or massage vigorously. It's very important to be very gentle and slow while shampooing the hair from the top to the ends. Rinse your crown topper thoroughly, making sure there is no shampoo left in the crown topper base or throughout any of the hair. Don't be alarmed if you see discolored water in the sink when you're rinsing your crown topper. This is the dirt that is accumulated in the extension in between washes. Once you have your crown topper rinsed thoroughly from the shampoo process, wring any excess water out of the crown topper. For your next step, you're going to be doing a good intensive conditioning treatment on your crown topper. Focus this product first on the mid-shaft to the ends of the hair, and any remaining in your hands can be applied to the base. Most good deep conditioning treatments should be left on the hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can gently set this aside or leave it in your sink while it processes for the 5 to 10 minutes. When you go to rinse the intensive conditioning treatment out of the hair, it's really important to run the water throughout the entire extension for a little longer than normal to be sure that the product is rinsed thoroughly. For your last step, you're going to follow up with the cream rinse conditioner. Apply this conditioner throughout the entire crown topper, and you may rinse immediately and thoroughly. It's very important to rinse for a good amount of time to be sure that all product is rinsed from the crown topper hair. All that's left to do now is to towel dry your crown topper, and it's ready to be blow dried and restyled for wear. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown. And make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.